I don't know if this is gonna be my second video or my first one, because Luis is editing them and I don't know which order he's gonna edit them in. But today, as you can see, I am not in my normal attire. Today was supposed to be EDC. Me and Luis were actually supposed to get married today, and they're having virtual EDC. So I figured, when I first started going to raves, there was like no makeup tutorials for like rave makeup. There was just like Coachella makeup, which isn't the same thing. So I figured, in honor of virtual EDC and RIP EDC 2020, we're gonna do a video. So I'm gonna be using this palette. I actually have not touched this yet. I got it so long ago, whenever it came out. I think it was like a limited edition one. It has an array of colors, as you can tell. I'm not 100% sure what I'm gonna do yet. Kind of just gonna wing it. So we'll see. And Avery's sleeping in the background. I did a pink look for my last video, so I'm gonna try to stay away from doing pink of any sort. So I think I'm gonna do purple and blue. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Art with my, this is just a Morphe blending brush. It doesn't have a name. It came in like a brush set, just a, oh, that's pretty, but I think it's mixing. It's 100% mixing. I don't think that brush is clean. I think it's the one I used yesterday. And I did my brows off camera because I'm not the best at brows. You don't need to, you ain't gonna learn nothing about brows from me. So if you want to learn something about brows, you're gonna have to look somewhere else. I'm not the one. I'm gonna go in with the shade Peace. It's a shimmer, so I'm a little apprehensive of putting it in my crease, but oh my goodness, Peace did not come to play. I'm gonna add a little bit more Art because I don't want her to get lost. Such a beautiful shade. And I'm gonna go in again with the brush I used for Peace. Oh, that's pretty color. I'm gonna go in with Peace on the other eye. I don't think I've ever done a blue eye. Honestly, doing like my makeup for events is so fun because I 100% step out of my comfort zone. I do things that I would never normally do. And I remember last time we went to EDC, I did like a galaxy makeup look, and I don't even remember what it looks like. Like, I can't tell you what it looked like, but I just remember like doing it, and like when I was finished, I was so impressed with myself. And I don't think I got one picture. I remember just being so impressed and happy with how it came out. And that's like so fun to do, because you try something you never would have normally tried, and you're like, damn, that looks good. I'm gonna use Rise Up, which is a more cobalt blue. Not too crazy, because then you're gonna look like you got a black eye. go back in with this Y17 brush and blend, blend, blend. I am so bummed. I mean, there's probably thousands of people that are bummed the EDC's canceled, but this was like the first time going back since having Avery. We were supposed to go to Escape, but my dad got married, so he got married that weekend, so we ended up having to sell our Escape tickets. And now EDC. I just realized, I think we're cursed. We're rave cursed. It's not supposed to happen. But yeah, we were supposed to get married tonight. And I was so excited because we've been together for 7 years this year. Okay, I'm gonna go with the shade Liberation. It is a hollow. Yeah, that was the one. It's a hollow. I'll show you guys right now in a minute. But it reflects like, well, you can see it reflects like green, teal, blue. Oh, this space bun is playing me. This is a really nice palette. I know a lot of people are like ex Morphe, but I've never had an issue with them. It was this shade up here. I've never had a problem. I've been buying from Morphe for years, and I've, like I said, never had a problem. I'm gonna go back in with Rise Up. Now I'm gonna go one more time in with Liberation. Okay, so for now, I'm done with the eye look. So now I'm gonna go in and do my base. Today I'm using my Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. This is shade 4. And then I'm gonna go in with my Y7 brush from Morphe, and I'm actually gonna add a little bit of my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. I love the Milani foundation. It's just a little flat, so I like to add Pro Glow in. So I like to apply foundation with a brush and blend it in as much as I can, and then I go back with the beauty blender and blend it more. I'm gonna go in with my concealer. This is Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C65. And then this one's a little light. I do like a bright under eye, but it's a little much. I'm gonna go in with my light neutral. Oh, girl. Okay, and then I'm gonna set it with my Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm going to use my Y11 brush. And if I was going to a not virtual rave tonight, I would set the crap out of my face. This is just a lip treatment. Now we are going to bronze using my Morphe M553 brush and my chocolate Soleil by Too Faced. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with a smaller brush to contour, and that is my Y10, and I'm going to pick up milk chocolate and chocolate. I'm going to go to this one, wipe off any powder, add Tarte Cosmetics Paaarty blush with Morphe Y4. I'm not going to be adding a lot. And I'm going to highlight using my favorite Rave highlighting palette, my Anastasia Moonchild. I think I'm going to use Blue Ice. Oh, that's it. That's the one. And then I'm going to add a little bit of Blue Moon. The shade is so pretty. Oh my goodness. It is gorgeous. Now I'm going to finish my under eye, my eyeshadow. I'm going to grab Art. And I always like to connect the two. The top and the bottom, it ties everything together. So I'm going to use a Morphe M432, and I'm going to grab Truth, which is a deep purple. I'm just going to place it, and then I'm going to go in with a little bit of Truth on a small brush that has no name on it. I'm going to go in with a small flat brush, and this is Liberation. I'm also going to go in with a little bit of a Moon Glow palette. I'm going to go in with Blue Ice. And blend out a little bit with a clean blending brush. This is an M513. Did I put on primer? I don't think I put on primer, so I think I'm going to add diamonds. These are crystals I picked up at, where's my pills? And they're so pretty. And my crystals don't move when I do them for raves. I don't think I've ever lost one. I think I'm gonna do one more. And this is just my, from when I used to get lash extensions, back when we were allowed to go out in the world. Okay, so now we have the crystals all set. I'm gonna put on my lashes, and you would think we're done, but we're not. Today I'm using Ardell wispies. So the way I like to do them is I like to put the glue on the lashes, the lash band, and then I give it like a while to get tacky. I don't know how many seconds I give it. I was gonna tell you seconds, but I don't know. I just give it a bit to get tacky, and then I'll apply them. Bring my little mirror. I don't block you guys. I'm so mad at myself for not using this palette sooner. Where's my slide? Boo. Boo. What are you doing? Okay, so the lashes are on, and I'm gonna apply some mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This was so fun, even though my space bun keeps doing weird things. We are going to grab lash glue and put it right there. And if you guessed glitter, you guessed right. I'm not gonna go any crazier than that because the eyes are like doing a lot and I don't really want to take away from that. So I'm trying to go on the other side. Okay. And that's that for the glitter. Now I'm gonna have glitter everywhere, especially since I put in my hair. I'm going to do, let me see. So I'm only gonna put on gloss. I decided that right now. Yeah, and I think finished look. I could set some setting spray, but yeah, we're done. Now it's time to get our virtual rave on. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching. If this is something you enjoy, something you want to see more often, just let me know and I will definitely do this more often. This was so fun. Like I said, I haven't been to a rave in a long time. So I missed, you know, just going out of my comfort zone, getting sparkly. I love being sparkly. So yeah, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you want to see next. Thank you.